destruction. Yes! Let's see if the police turn up, because you know what it's like around here. Someone's bound to complain. Apparently we're having a party. Hello! Happy Easter. We're out in the garden today. Lovely old barbecue on. She's still on her phone. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Nice sunny day. Why not? Karina's got a nice little day off today, haven't you?
Yeah.
Nice little day off. So we thought, well, the weather's nice, it's Easter, can't go out anywhere, so we'll get the barbecue out. So we had a little disposable barbecue left over from last year. And also we got the electric griddle. That is a griddle, isn't it? That's what you call it? Yeah, electric griddle. Can't fit everything on there. Yeah, so I thought, why not? Why not have a nice little barbecue? Let's see if the police turn up, because you know what it's like around here. Someone's bound to complain. Apparently we're having a party, and the police want to have something to eat. Can have a burger, couldn't they, if they turn up? So, other plans today. We want to pull that summer house down today.
With a car. Yeah,
We've done a little Easter egg hunt with the kids. So they've had to go around looking for clues about where the next eggs are. That was quite good, wasn't it? I wasted 5 minutes this morning. Yeah, so oh yeah, Karina made some Rice Krispie cakes. Wherever they are, they're over here somewhere, aren't they? Yep, so got some Rice Krispie cakes in there with some eggs. So we'll have those after the burgers. Yeah, and sausages. Yep. Cooking quite well actually on this griddle. Yep, got an electric griddle. This is amazing. This griddle. Griddle. Why is it wherever you are around the barbecue, the smoke follows you? That always puzzles me. Yeah, as I say, today after the barbecue, we're going to start tidying up the garden, I suppose. We've got an old summer house over there because obviously, as you guys know, you know, once all this is over, we're planning on moving, so we've got to get rid of most of the stuff that we've built up around here. So one of the things is to pull that old summer house down because it's wrecked anyway. Remember when the roof came off in the wind and it ended up over at the school? Yeah. I never bothered fixing that, so yeah, we'll pull that down today. A little bit of destruction. Here we are then, boys and girls. We've had the burger, Sausages are just about done. The sausages, there's a lot of S's there.
Yeah.
Sausages are just about done. Now we're going on to Mayport barbecue steaks. Look at him. Oh, look at all that juice. Oh, look at it. We'll stick that straight on there, I think. Let that sizzle away a little. You having one of these? You got to try one of these, Mia. Got to try one of these. They're so nice. Look at them. Oh, look at the juice on them. Listen to that sizzle. So that's barbecue done. A lovely bit of steak. Do you enjoy the steak?
Yeah.
Good. And the sausages.
Especially because it was pork.
Oh yeah, I like it pork. Lovely. So now, yeah, like I say, I mean, all this stuff we've got to take down now. We can't leave it here when we leave, can we? This is taking forever. I've got a quick way of doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see.
Okay.
Oh, what do you think of this idea?
Bad idea.
I think it's a brilliant idea. I think it's an absolutely brilliant idea. I'll tell you what the idea is. See, there's bits of strings here. There's a bit of rope. I've tied that to the corner in there, and I've tied it to the back of the car. It's better than any screwdriver, I'll say. Better than a hammer. I think it's great. Let's do it. Brilliant! Watch the rope snap. Have a look, have a look, have a look. Have a look.
Can't see it.
Take two. Destruction. Yes.
You've got to clear this mess up now. I'm not touching that, got spiders over it. There you go, so you can do it.
Door's broken.
Uh-oh. Anyone in? No. See you later.
Right, that's it, that's us done. Hope you enjoyed that. That's been our eventful day. A little bit of barbecue and a little bit of demolition.
Yeah.
And yeah, hope you're all well and you know, keeping safe and all that stuff. Hopefully we'll be out of this soon, shouldn't we?
Hope so.
It's been what, 3-4 weeks now. So yeah, we've got to do something with our time, so why not trash everything we got in the garden? Probably would have been the best idea to empty it before I pulled it down, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But never mind, you learn from your mistakes, didn't you? Yeah, hope you're doing well, stay safe, stay indoors and break stuff.